You're going to need a volunteer for this, so get yourself ready, Amelia. You're going to be my volunteer again. You are a professional. Do you have a sequin leotard? You can be a professional magician's assistant if you do. There we go. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in the other pile, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards. So far, so good. Now, these cards, if I change view here, I can do this a bit better here. Hold on a second. Bear with me a second. It's a bit easier. These ones are red. And these ones, he says, lifting them up, are actually black. You can see those. Wonderful. Now, we're going to come back down again now. That's it, brilliant. Let's just get that back over here. Oh, actually, before we do, Amelia, and this is why I need you to help me out here. I need you to look at these cards for me and think of one, but don't say which one it is. You ready? Have a look at one of those cards, one of those black cards, and just keep it in your mind. Have you got one?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Don't tell me what it is. I said, okay, I do cheat, as I mentioned. Now we're going to come back down here again. Hold on a second. That's the view I want. Wonderful. Now, you thought of a card. Now, this is where the magic happens. You've got to watch the magic. You ready? That's the magic. I hope you didn't see any dodgy moves there. Now, watch this. When we go over here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But watch. If we go over here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is rather strange. Media, you thought of a card. You didn't tell me what it was or anything, did you? For the first now, should we go back up to our other view up here? Hold on a second. We're going to go back to our other view up here, and you'll be able to see the cards. For the first time, I want you to tell me what your card was.
The 2 of clubs.
Okay, I'm going to look through. Tell me if you can see that 2 of clubs in there.
Yeah.
We're going to go back down to our other little view again. Hold on a second. And we're going to go through those cards now. Now, these should all be red. Now, if there's a black card over here, that's a miracle. But if it's a 2 of clubs, well, that's a double miracle. Could we have a red one? We have a red one. 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 A red one, you get the gist, don't you? But we have one more card left here. Now, if this is the 2 of clubs, I think a huge round of applause, first of all, to my lovely assistant there. And get yourself ready. Would you be impressed if it was the 2 of clubs? Thank you very much. Thank you.